Hello, in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to find proven ads for duct cleaning. And the way we do that is by using Facebook ad library and then looking up where you're located, the United States, all ads, and then searching for the specific keyword or service that you're running. In this case, that would be duct cleaning. The next thing I'd like to do is filter and see which I've been running at least 30 days from when I'm searching from. So today is August 18, and now I'm looking at impressions by date between July 1st to July 31st, 2025. And as you can see, these campaigns are still active and are currently running. You can disregard the ones that are not in English. What we also want to look for is an ad that has three key factors: scarcity, urgency, and a special offer. And the reason why we look for these three things is based on our experience running thousands of ads for contractors over the last 10 years. We know that when an ad campaign has scarcity, urgency, and a special offer, it always almost gets a lot of leads. So in this case, if we're looking for air duct cleaning, we see that this says get premium air duct cleaning for just $99 flat. So they have a special offer, right? They also describe a lot of things that they do, but it doesn't really have any scarcity or urgency. So although this is a good start, in order to improve this, I would add some sort of scarcity and some sort of urgency. But you can tell that this has technically been working for them because the offer is so good. Claim 99 air duct cleaning now limited time offer. So the urgency is actually down here, right? This is only for limited time only. But to create scarcity, one might say only for the first 50 homeowners, or only for the first 10 homeowners, right? So to drive more people to fill out their information and submit their information as a lead. So this has two of the three criteria that we typically would look for. Let's go down. Okay, this has one thing that they do well, which is a special offer. It doesn't have any scarcity. It doesn't have any urgency. And the same thing for a lot of these campaigns. Okay. So that's all for this video. This is what we typically look for when we are looking for an ad, and then we improve on what is already working. Okay, so this is a really good starting point where you can see what your competitors are doing all across the United States and what's working for them. In the next video, what I'll be walking you through is what I'm going to take this campaign and I'm going to rewrite it in a way that includes scarcity, includes urgency, and will generate a high volume of leads for and be pretty cost effective. Okay, thanks.